a pancake.
What will be a pancake if what?
Cars.
If a car runs us over?
Yeah.
Yep. We'll avoid all cars. Thanks for coming to town with me.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
And come here. I made anything for Dad. And now, open them.
What is it?
It's your cake.
Is it a pancake?
No.
But that's a pan and that's a cake. Is that a pancake?
Yes, it is. And it's a pancake.
It's a pancake. You made me 2 pancakes?
Does Dad get pancakes for his birthday?
Yeah.
You're darn right I do.
On Dad's birthday, we're gonna eat cake, so it basically is a cake.
Look at his dance.
Look at his little, where does his
Shake
energy
it.
come from?
I don't know. He refused to take a nap today. Lincoln, come here.
Come here, I want to show your forehead,
Show
bud.
everyone your forehead.
And show your owie. Oh,
I don't even know
oh
what
dear
happened.
heavens.
I know. Look, move your hands.
Move your hand. Move
Move
your
your
fat little
hand.
chubby hand.
Move them out of the way. What happened?
I hurt my head on my birthday.
He's like, I know that doesn't make sense, and it's hilarious.
I'm a funny
Hey,
guy.
guys, come here. Hey, do you guys have this? We're gonna have
I want tuna.
tuna fish with green apples in it. Doesn't that look good?
No.
That looks really good. Come on.
I'm the Red Bull Lincoln. You're not the Red
Nope.
Bull.
You're the yellow
Get
ball.
what you get.
You're sitting over here.
Yep.
Chubby Chubs.
You get what you get. Sit down, please.
I love the tuna.
You do?
That makes me happy.
I would like to know in the comments if you like tuna fish or if you do not like tuna fish. Boston does not look at him. He's like,
But Cody likes it.
which
I grew up
shocks
eating
me.
tons of tuna fish. But no, I like albacore. Bonnie likes tuna fish.
Yeah, I like both. Who likes tuna fish like that? That's hilarious.
I love tuna fish.
Where'd you get a piece of gum from?
He had a good quiet time, and so I gave him a piece of gum when he woke up because he's kind of transitioning out of naps. But I still need that time during the day, so we have quiet time in our bedroom, don't we?
And you need that time.
So when you guys are done eating your tuna fish, we're gonna go in and clean it up. Yay! It's getting cold.
Oh,
You
fun.
gotta eat it. Hop in the shower, shower, Jolie, is what I was trying to say. I am not going to allow the birthday boy to not have a nice haircut.
Olivia said I could play with her.
You can play with her. Say, Mom said that I can play with you. Okay? Go tell her.
He's upstairs saying it, not downstairs. I love that he says the kids.
He's coming back. You have to, hey, you come Olivia, you have to play with Lincoln. First, I want you to go play in your room with Lincoln. Do something with him. And then you guys can watch a show in a minute, okay? Play for 10 minutes. Boston, are you ready to get out of the corner? I can't hear you.
Oh, that rag is so cool.
Cody and Grayson.
You're sorry that you were mean to Cody and Grayson?
Yeah.
Go out and tell them you're sorry and ask them if you can play with them. Oh, you're using the shampoo bottle for a camera stand. That's cute.
Does it work?
We'll see. Might be buying a new camera soon.
Oh, yeah, is that the brand new one? Oh.
Yes. Number 3 guard. Here we go. It's been a hot minute since I've cut all the boys' hair in this household. And the last time I cut their hair, my arms were not strong enough to hold the clippers. So I'm feeling pretty impressed with myself that I'm like strong now. I mean, I was shaking. I was like holding my arm. It was like an ordeal, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited for your birthday tomorrow?
Yes.
Are you?
I am excited for it.
We've worked like dogs to get like all of our work done so that we don't have any work to do tomorrow.
I know, and I'm waiting for like somebody to drop a bomb on us tomorrow.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
This is due today. Oh.
We're sorry that branded video needs to be refilmed.
Oh.
Today, I had scheduled off to make Joel a cake. That's all I wanted to do. So we had stuff, we got up extra early this morning, went and filmed a podcast and a video for the Bali channel and for Ellie and Jared's podcast. And then we came home and I was gonna make a cake. And then our tax guy called and was like, oh, we've got all this stuff due that I've been asking you guys to get done that you haven't done. And so, yeah, that's what we spent the day doing, and there's no cake to be done.
Hey, Linky. Can you dance to it? Can you dance to the music? Dance to the music. Okay, can you put some bows on it? Hey. Look how cool that is. I love the blue eyes. Yeah. So you're doing some bows on it. No. My mom said I could play with Lincoln for 10 minutes, and I've been playing with him for 10 minutes. And when I just pulled out the camera, I had 2 minutes, and so we've been playing for 10 minutes. Oh yeah. You go. Woo! Look at that booty shaking.
Do you like getting your hair cut?
Yeah. No.
Did you almost say yes?
No, I just said no. My mom's shaving my hair because tomorrow it's my dad's birthday and we want to look nice.
Yeah, we do, don't we?
Yep.
Are you gonna make him something?
I'm gonna make him breakfast.
Oh, that's right. Oh, Boston, that's right. We're gonna make him breakfast.
And I'm gonna wake up you, so
so that we can get up and do it together.
yeah, so you'll cut the cake and I can get a piece for Dad and his breakfast that I made for him.
Okay.
Mom, will you be mad when I wake up you?
No. Your hair was so long. I cannot believe how long it was. Here, I'm gonna have you turn to the side. There you go. There's a video from when you were tiny. You were Lincoln's age now. I was cutting your hair and you were the sweetest little thing getting your hair cut, and you were making the funniest faces. If you guys want to watch that video, please click the link in the description because it is so dang cute.
Could I watch it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Was that my first one?
No. You were such a quiet little boy. Well, that's a lot of hair in the bottom of my tub. And for everyone's sake, I will not put that down the drain. I'll pick it up and put it in the garbage, but you know. One day I will have a place to cut kids' hair and Joel's hair. One day I will.
A couple days ago, my dad's truck got stolen while he was in Vegas vacationing, and I think he's feeling a little downtrodden, a little bit overwhelmed, him and my mom. So me and my brothers are going to go down tonight and help him out a little bit and spend a little bit of time with him to hopefully make him feel a little bit better and see what we can do to help out. But I don't know how that's got to feel, having a car stolen.
Oh, I think you would just, he's sick about it. He's just absolutely sick about it. And I feel terrible for him. Mm-hmm. And I do. I think that they will find some comfort from, you know, seeing you boys come down and...
Mm-hmm. We'll go cheer him up.
On the good side, you're having a fabulous hair day.
Oh, yeah?
Check it out.
Is it getting thinner as we speak?
Yes, it is, but that's okay. Look right here.
Ooh, that does look nice.
How handsome that is.
See? And I don't mind the thinning right here.
Yeah.
It's the back here I don't like. It's when you can see from one side to the other. I don't want.
Well, I know what you're saying. I can see what you're saying, but I think you're handsome no matter what.
Thanks, Dolly.
Yeah.
Thanks for my haircut. That's a lot of work on your part.
You're welcome. Already ticked and I haven't even seen it. Yeah, I'm ticked. I don't think it's funny.
There's little handprints that size.
Oh, you know exactly whose handprint is that size. You can see his little fingers. Look, you can see his whole paw print. I am ticked. Do you know why I'm ticked? There is, oh my gosh, there is a trail of crumbs.
He had to have done that from when I came up to get my hair done.
It's recent. I bet it's still in his mouth. Lincoln!
What is?
Open your mouth. Let me see your mouth.
Ah?
Open your mouth.
Mom, what's in our
Did you
mouth?
get into Dad's cake?
Yeah.
You have cake on your face. At least you didn't lie. Upstairs. To be very, very honest, I'm actually really upset because it's all over the floor.
You'll see what Cody does when he sees it.
I'm upset because all day, the only thing on my calendar was the cake. Ellie asked if I could film a video and I said I can't. I have to make a cake for Joel's birthday. I wanted to make a cake for Joel's birthday and I couldn't because we came home and we
destroyed it.
Well, that too. But I had to get a bunch of taxes stuff done with Joel. So we spent a good like 3 hours doing that. Like I am so upset right now. It seems so stupid, but like all I wanted, like I had this day booked off because I wanted to make a cake for you. Like I wanted you to have a cake. I know it's fine, whatever. It's just gonna look like garbage. It's fine.
Put that
I
one on bottom,
understand.
nobody will know.
Then the cake tilts.
That will be good.
Anyway, and he's just like happy. I really am frustrated with Lincoln because he seems to be the only child of mine that doesn't respond to discipline. Contrary to a lot of your beliefs, I do discipline my children, and he just ignores me, and it's frustrating. So I had a whole bunch of things come up, and then Joel is leaving, which is fine, like I understand. But it's just like so many things. Like I just wanted to make a cake today and anyway, it will be fine.
Put the other layer on and no one would really notice.
I'm sure we could do that.
No, maybe we could put it over the hit on the bottom and you won't see it. Barely you can see it. Might see me in the video, but you might not. I get one and you get one. We both get one.
I'll tell you who doesn't get one.
Lincoln. Yep.
Woo!
Who doesn't get one, Mom?
Lincoln.
But who will get one?
Us.
Yeah! Why can't we? Why can't I get one?
Lincoln, you've been really naughty today.
Mom, if I didn't have you, then I would not want to have my birthday without you. If you weren't my mom. But I'm glad you are my mom.
Are you saying that because you want one of these?
I really want one. Yeah. Can I have this one? Aw, dang it.
All right, the boys were helping me and then that got old. So here is 33 candles on the cake for Joel's birthday. His favorite yellow cake with chocolate frosting. And now it is just up to me to clean up this mess before he gets home so we can go to bed at a good time so that we will not be exhausted for tomorrow because I like my sleep. I can't function if I don't have a lot of sleep. So I am going to close the vlog. I'm going to clean the kitchen and I'm going to wait for Joel to get home. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you all tomorrow for Joel's birthday. Love you guys. Bye.